Ever noticed one arm bigger than the other? Or maybe that squat just doesn't feel right on one side? Yeah, that's a classic muscle imbalance. And believe me, ignoring it is a recipe for disaster. We're talking plateaus, we're talking wonky form, and worst of all, we're talking injuries waiting to happen. Imagine if you could fix those imbalances and unleash your full potential every time you train. So how do we fix it? How do we get your body back in perfect harmony? Stay tuned, because in this video, I'm breaking down the science-backed strategies to correct muscle imbalances and unlock your true athletic potential. Have you ever wondered why your form seems off? Or why your progress stalls despite all your hard work? Muscle imbalances occur when one side of your body is stronger, tighter, or more coordinated than the other. A common issue caused by dominant hand usage, poor exercise form, or even overtraining one side. Left unchecked, these imbalances not only limit your gains, but also increase the risk of injury. Think of your body like a finely calibrated scale. If one side is heavier, everything wobbles and performance suffers. Correct that imbalance and your entire lift becomes stable and more efficient. Let's talk about the top 3 techniques for correcting muscle imbalances. Now, listen up, because this first technique is a game changer. We're talking about unilateral training. And no, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Basically, it just means training one side of your body at a time. Think dumbbells instead of barbells, lunges instead of squats. Imagine training your legs one at a time, like a traveler using a single foot to step evenly on a narrow path. Each step must be controlled for balance. Unilateral training ensures both feet, both sides, carry equal weight. Now, why is this so important? Well, when you're doing bilateral exercises, both sides working together, your dominant side tends to overcompensate, masking any weaknesses in the other side. Unilateral training forces each side to pull its own weight, literally. And here's the key: start with your weaker side. That's right. Don't even touch that dumbbell with your strong side until you've completed your reps on the weaker one. And here's the other thing: don't try to be a hero. Match the reps and weight of your stronger side to your weaker side, not the other way around. Remember, we're trying to build balance here, not feed that ego. Could giving each side its own workout be the secret to reaching your full potential? Alright, next up, we're going to dive into the mental game. Because fixing muscle imbalances isn't just about what you do in the gym, it's about how you think about your training. From now on, your weaker side is your VIP client. You gotta give it that extra attention, that extra focus, both mentally and physically. Now, before you even think about hitting those heavy lifts, start by pre-activating your weaker side. Muscle imbalances are often neurological. Your brain may not be firing the neurons on your weaker side efficiently. By focusing on pre-activating that side, you rewire your body for better symmetry and performance. Light band work, mobility drills, anything to get those muscles firing and ready to work. And when you're lifting, really concentrate on that mind-muscle connection on your weaker side. Feel the muscle working, control the movement, and don't be afraid to use a mirror to check your form. Another pro tip: tempo training. Slowing down the eccentric, lowering phase of the lift on your weaker side can do wonders for building control and strength where you need it most. What if programming a few extra reps for your weak side today could lead to a perfectly tuned performance tomorrow? Consider your brain as a conductor of an orchestra. If one section isn't playing its part, the music sounds off. By focusing on the weaker side, you bring the entire symphony back into harmony. Now let's talk about mobility, because tight muscles can wreak havoc on your balance and set you up for injury. Think of it like this: if one side is all locked up, it's not going to move as efficiently as the other, leading to compensations and imbalances. That's where corrective mobility and stretching come in. Your mission is to identify those tight, overactive muscles and give them some much-needed TLC. Foam rolling, targeted stretching, and mobility drills should become your new best friends. And don't forget about those antagonist muscles. You know, the ones that oppose the muscles you're working. If your chest is tight, stretch it out. But also make sure to strengthen those back muscles to pull you back into alignment. Incorporate mobility work into your warm-up, your cool-down, and even on your rest days. Trust me, your body will thank you. Think of it like tuning a musical instrument. If one string is too tight, the melody becomes off-key. Correcting your muscle tightness helps your body perform in perfect harmony. Is your body performing in tune, or is one side out of sync? Look, muscle imbalances are more common than you think, even in experienced lifters. But here's the good news. You can absolutely fix them. It takes awareness, it takes targeted action, and it takes consistency, but the rewards are well worth it. When you fix those imbalances, you won't just look more symmetrical in the mirror, you'll lift stronger, move better, and bulletproof your body against injury. So start implementing these techniques today and get ready to unlock your true athletic potential. Are you ready to break free from imbalance and build a body that's as strong as it is symmetrical? What will you do today to level up your training and build a body that's truly balanced and powerful? If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed fitness tips. Share your progress and questions in the comments. Let's build strength and balance together. See you next time. Keep watching MedGroww and take care of yourself.